What's up, people? Welcome to this video, and today I'm bringing something good for you guys. I'm bringing something special for you. This is paper called affiliate marketing business, and I'm bringing two free traffic methods that you can use to generate calls for your offers, guys. I'm bringing two free traffic methods, but before we start, make sure you subscribe, you hit a like. Don't be shy. Write down below in the comments if you have any doubt, and let's get started. Guys, I'm gonna show you today two free traffic methods. The first one is from Facebook Marketplace, but there are things that you must know, guys, before you post on before you do your listing on Facebook Marketplace, guys. Facebook Marketplace doesn't allow you to post services, okay? It just allow you to post product or something that you are selling, but not service. They don't allow you to post service, but we used to do that. We used to post some service there. So this is my listings on this account, okay? Basically I have many accounts. I used to do listings on many accounts in different regions, okay? So on this account I have four listings for this account. This as you can see right here, I have these approved right now, right here, but right here this was not approved, okay? I have these four active listings: one for pest control, carpet and flooring, gutters, and HVAC. Okay, so guys, what is the importance of doing this, guys? This is huge opportunity right here on Facebook. You can make much money doing these listings on Facebook Marketplace. You don't need to pay ads, okay? You just need to go there and post your listing, guys. So when you are posting your listing, please don't you must try to dribble the algorithm of Facebook. Don't write something that is similar to a service, okay? Write like you are selling something, okay? As you can see right here, for all these listings, I put there a description that is not relating to something that I'm selling, okay? Sorry, it's not relating to something like a service, okay, but something like I'm selling. So that's why the listings was approved, okay? Okay, guys, that's why the listings were approved. Right here I have 0 clicks, but I don't know why, because I received messages, okay? I received messages for these links. So that's why I'm telling you guys, this free method is good, and I'm not running it only in one account. I'm running on many accounts. You just have to come on your this is from Lead Smart, okay? You just need to come here and pick up the description. Lead Smart has many services, home services that you can post, and the algorithm of Facebook will not catch that this is a service, okay? So that's why I like to post there. I like to do the listings with Lead Smart offers, okay? So this is the description. You pick up this description. Please don't put the phone number on your listing. This is against the Facebook Marketplace policies. So don't put the phone number on the listings. What you have to do is this: if the person sends a message, okay? If the person sends a message, you must only reply. Okay, you reply. I can click here. It's still available, okay? And if he wants, you're gonna say, please, you can call us to get your code. Okay, you can call us to get your code and send the number. You're gonna send the number and he's going to call and you're gonna get your commission. So guys, basically is that for Facebook Marketplace. I got these few messages on this one. I've been a long time without opening this account. I forgot, and today I have I done the login, and I saw that I have these messages right here. So I responded. I'm waiting for them to respond me, and I'm gonna send them my phone number, and they gonna call. So the second one that I wanna show you guys is something magic that if you do this, guys, you're gonna make huge money on pay-per-call affiliate marketing. The second one that I'm gonna talk about is Google My Business. Okay, Google My Business. I don't know if you have read about Google My Business, but this is a good opportunity for you to make money on pay-per-call affiliate marketing. Why? Okay, let's see. If you are running, I like to do examples with pest control. If you are running pest control offers, okay, normally people who want that service, they gonna search on Google. So they write pest control near me, okay, they write this, okay, and Google gonna suggest them the companies that offer that kind of services, okay. And right here I think that I can find the number. And I'm gonna call. This is the number. So I'm looking for pest control near me. Google suggested this one for me, and I can call. So guys, imagine if you can create a listings on Google My Business for all kind of offers, for all verticals that you work with. For example, you have pest control, you have debit relief, you have Obamacare. Imagine if you can create a Google My Business listing for all these verticals, okay. So don't worry if you are not based in US. If you are based in US, it's better, because when you register a Google My Business, the Google need to verify you by postcard. So you must send your address, and they're gonna send the postcard. So let me see if I have some on this account right here. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm trying to apply on this one. Okay, I'm trying to apply on this one, Pest Control Ninjas on Chicago, California. I've done these listings, as you can see right here, and I'm waiting for the postcard. Okay, code requested. Okay, that's what I'm waiting for. So guys, for if you are not based in US, I recommend you to use something like you can search on Google postcard. Okay, we can search something like mail service in US. Okay, I think that I can search this. But guys, basically, okay, you can use this one. Okay, there are many companies that offers you that kind of services. Okay, I'm using this one. I'm using this one, my US. Okay, I'm using this one, and I think that you can also use this one to this is my address from US. Okay, this is my address. So I requested the pin for Google My Business from Google My Business, and I'm waiting for them. So they're gonna receive and they're gonna send it to me in Mozambique, and I'm gonna confirm this this account on Google My Business. So guys, imagine if you can create this for all your verticals. You can make a huge money without paying. Okay, you don't need to pay Google or Facebook for this free traffic method that I have shown you today, guys. So thank you for watching this video until now. If you are here, don't forget to subscribe, hit a like, write down below in the comment if you have any doubt, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.